Marlon, you want to watch a YouTube video, bro? Huh? You want to watch a YouTube video?
Okay, tell me when to start turning back.
Alright. You good. Just straight. Just straight. Come on.
It's trying to.
It's not.
Skip to my side. Oh, the e-brake stuff. I need a Mamacita, bro. Oh, it's working. All right, bet. We good. So that's probably, it's gonna work. It should. Don't pour it too much.
Okay. That's my brother, y'all. You think we can put it in the driveway?
Yeah, we are gonna put it here
So-
because it can't run. You leave. Suka. So, what's the dilemma, bro? I ain't gonna lie. Why you looking like that, bro?
What you talking about?
Anyhow, so what's the objective for today, bro?
Man, we gotta start this motherfucker up. I mean, this thing up.
Yeah. So we got one running car in the driveway right now. Out of three.
We gonna make it work.
Give me a guess which one it is. It ain't that one. And it ain't that one. It's that one. But you see, okay. Let's do the little look.
You gotta be around 2 cars now and work.
Right. This car is dead. Like dead. The battery on that is completely dead. This one, the alternator keeps killing the battery. But so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to back this up onto the road and try to push it on the grass or something. Once it starts, move it back and then try to figure out a way to charge the battery at this and put this in the garage so we have space to put this further up. Bro, this is what I was looking forward to when I got this, you know? I just got this yesterday, by the way. Stick shift, 6-speed manual, 5.0. Don't know how to drive manual, by the way, but it's okay, you know?
That explains Marlon.
You know it. Anyhow, let's get to it. I'll show y'all what's going on. So, hold on. I don't even know if the battery's in here. So this is my 2020 Nissan Altima that does not start. Yeah, because it has a bad alternator. And I was thinking about fixing it myself. Fixing the alternator. By the way, just a little disclaimer. I'm new to all this perpendicular vehicular stuff. Like, new to it in the regards of like, I like cars, always like them, you know. Anyhow, as I was saying, you know, I always like cars, but I was a little too sheltered to, you know, really work on one, you know, and such and such. So at this big old age that I am at 21, I bought my first project car. And I know a whole lot of y'all gonna be like, that's the worst project car you could ever get, because the fattest engine or that I've ever operated was a V6. And, you know, I just jumped all the way up to a 5-liter V8. You know, rear-wheel drive 6-speed manual. Sports mode all the time. It ain't no on-off switch. So, yeah. I don't really have no, like, literally. Look, and I know this is embarrassing right now for this moment, but I'm just being honest with y'all, because I'm, you know.
Yeah.
But this is all the tools I have. I own. Anyhow, you gonna be recording us doing all our BS. Total. That works. Where's the? Oh, bro's tint in the back is crazy. But yeah. So it's a premium, so it comes with the screen, heated seats, heated mirrors, everything. Pretty much ambient lighting, hearing in the door, and everything. So, all right.
It's a straight shot in. You don't need to turn your wheels or nothing.
Nah, I do. That side's gonna hit. I checked it yesterday. So we're good. Matter of fact, we're just gonna let it roll down. It doesn't roll. I forgot. All right. Wait, in first gear.
Solve that. Yeah.
I told y'all that. I need to take it out of first gear. There we go. Okay. That was my.
If you stall this vehicle again, I'm getting out.
Okay. Look, I drove it perfectly fine yesterday, right? And
You need to get your balance in check.
right, I need to lock in. So, nah, I'm trying to. If I was gonna back straight in, I would have hit that side, cause you know she a little wide. There you go. It sounds so good. Bro, it sounds so freaking good. Can you check if it's in reverse? Yeah. I bet.
Whose car is running?
This one. Is your car running?
No.
Oh. Yes, it's this one.
And the Altima's not on?
There ain't no battery in
There ain't no keys in it. I know your neighbor looking. It's loud. That is so loud.
it. It is loud as it.
Can the garage door close? No. Okay.
It's spinning.
Can it close?
Alright, hold on.
Bruh.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, dude.
Bro. That shit's gas, bro.
I'm happy for you.
Oh my
Nah, facts, bro.
bro.
Let her air out. Bro, this is crazy. This is crazy. This is very. This is very wild. Man. To new memories, bro. Bro, it sounds crazy, bro. Good God.
Well, but dang.
So at least we know it's not the battery.
What, this?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is right.
Like,
Run and drive.
it's only frames.
Run and drive.
Run and drive is so devious, bro.
Where's the, oh, there it is.
I don't know what it is. I don't
Smell
know what
it.
it's supposed to smell.
Does it smell like, if it smells like
It
nothing,
smells
then
like coconut.
so it's water. It's water then. If it don't smell like nothing a car should have, it's,
The pipe was probably leaking. I think I saw the pipe leaking.
here.
The fact that the tool, I don't think that's for us. You know what you should do? What? Take off the cover off the engine.
Take the hood off. Take the cover.
No, the fact that the hood is perfectly intact is so great.
Bro, because I know these hoods are expensive.
Expensive like no other.
What's also expensive that I kind of hate is the tail lights, but
Oh no,
I don't need to change them. They work, so that's not it.
That's why I'm telling you, like, a Sunday when you don't have work, we go. Yeah, we drive
I
to.
don't even care if I have work. I go after. Come on, all these shirting up.
Can we go for my birthday to the junkyard?
Or your birthday. Absolutely.
But, like, bruh, at that point,
Absolutely.
I'll be very happy.
Straight away.
Oh, bro, that's the El Camino.
He looked at me yesterday and was like, I know you probably can't lift the battery. Who do you think I am? I don't want to name drop, but I'm a strong woman. Better put strong in front of it.
It would be so funny if this just, bro, it looks so mean.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie.
And it's just wide. It looks like it,
Mad wide. That's why I had to back out. I had to drive forward and then.
like it creeps.
You good?
And then it just
Yeah,
goes.
you see the little dust that came up.
It needs to be washed. Were you going to wash it today? I thought you were going to wash it after you put it in then put it up there.
If that battery starts when I put it in there, that would be good.
You can do a dry wipe.
You're right. Where's the tan? See, that's what I'll be doing at school, and then I'll be taking people parts.
Wow.
Yep.
Walking around with the tools. My lick up your head.
Nah, they really got straight to work, huh?
That's what I'm saying.
On the way.
As they should.
What am I doing?
They got quotas to read. This is all on video. No pressure.
Nah, facts. I already told them. Disclaimer, I'm like, look, I'm bad at all of this. This is my first time.
Yeah, we gonna be making a lot of mistakes. Gonna have to spend days fixing a part we thought we fixed. They have to pull it apart because we didn't fix it right.
Look, that's what y'all are for in the comments, to penalize me
Bad.
and tell me that I'm doing something wrong, you know, and then I fix it. So, yeah.
So y'all, just a reminder, like, follow, and subscribe, and share.
If you want to.
Yeah, only if you want to. So you going to school now, bruh?
Nah, I'm not. I can't live a lie to you. I wish I could, but I can't. I'm going to sit here, eat my fruit snack, and buy that. I'm going to take pictures of it for the inspection later on this year, and I'm going to start taking photos off today.
Before you take anything off, take a picture of it so you know where everything goes.
Yeah. So, well.
The first thing is to at least wash it, because you can't be getting. Yeah, I be climbing now, and I be, I need to wash my clothes.
Absolutely. And just to let all these viewers know, I mean no disrespect when I say this. Script. But just like Mr. Whistling Diesel, right? When I actually get experience in such, why is it vibrating? Anyway, when I get experience and stuff like that in life, you know what I'm talking about? Like when it comes to criticism of I hate this person, you can say it, but I won't care. That's just all it is.
Facts.
But, you know, if I am doing something wrong, I'm definitely going to listen to y'all, you know. But
Brightly Beats. Real money chasing that bag.